how to bet on horse racing with Bet365. So if you want to bet on horse racing on Bet365, first of all open the Bet365 application and then tap on the login button, which you can find from the very top right hand side. Then basically once you log into your account, what you want to do is you want to simply navigate to the sports section right over here. Once you navigate to the sports section, you should be able to go ahead and then find horse racing over here. So just go to horse racing. Over there you can simply select a race or a meeting depending upon the date. Then after that you can choose a bet type, which could be a win bet, each way bet. And after that, once you place the bet, you will be able to check the odds, which will be displayed in decimal format, enter your stake and confirm the bet. This way you will be able to bet horse racing on Bet365. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.